Cursor tweaks, video 169. Now when we change the tile size exponent, or we're zooming in and out, or if we're panning, the tile remains underneath the cursor. Let's look at the logic responsible. Mostly what we've done here is we've created this dirty flag for mouse master, and anytime we make camera H dirty, we also need to make mouse master dirty. This is happening inside of the resize canvas function, but it also happens in many different places. Camera zoom. It also happens in the camera pan, the zoom extents, and lastly, the next extents. The next extents, also it happens when we are changing the tile size exponent, going backwards through the tile size exponent inside of the key master down for the editor. And if we're going backwards through the tile size exponent, it should also happen when we're going forwards through the tile size exponent. We need to mark mouse master as dirty. Here is a force update function, and there's a lot of code in here. It is an extraction of some code that was in mouse master move, so now we're calling the extracted logic here. It's written in video 169, but this extracted function call takes code that was written in these videos, so I made kind of a loose bubble bracket marker for that. Let's look at the logic there. We have some variables for OK tile size exponent and the mouse position. If we are inside of the editor mode, we're going to get the tile size exponent in the mouse position. And then down here, we're going to convert that mouse position to a game tile X and game tile Y. If everything's not okay, we're going to yell, because I don't know what yet to do for the game mode. And when we need to do that, this will pop up in the future. Very far in the future. Here is a tick function called once per frame. If everything is dirty, we'll do what we need to clean the state. And it's called from here within the client game tick function. Footnote, what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. So you've been on this playlist. If you want me to go in more detail, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 169. Like and subscribe.